Rufus Tech had us create a custom web-based portal, and the system automatically creates invoices with scheduled maintenance items and employee time entries already filled in. Clients get an email with a link to view their current and past invoices, and they can see up-to-the-minute amounts on their draft invoices before they're even finalized. Customers can pay invoices using their saved payment card, and they get reminders to prepay when their balance gets low. So this saves Rufus tons of time, helps them get paid faster, and increases their revenue from recurring maintenance services. So I hope that gives you some ideas for how you could save time and be more profitable. If you'd like to talk about some options for your business, well, just schedule a quick call with me. And to get more ideas and examples, subscribe to my email list if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this with someone else who could benefit.